Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2018 Range Rover Velar First Edition. Something very unique, this car is finished in SVO Premium Palette Grey, giving it this lovely satin finish. And there you can see the premium LED headlights. As this is also the R-Dynamic, you do get all the bronze R-Dynamic styling. As you can see, it's the side vents and the bonnet. It does come with the upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels. And if we move down the side of the car, you'll see it does have the rear privacy glass and the all-important sliding panoramic sunroof. Moving around to the rear, the tailgate is electric, and you do get the lovely LED tail lights. This paintwork, as you can see, is just immaculate all the way around. If we take a look inside the rear of the cabin, you do get the First Edition trim to the doors. This car does come with a Meridian signature sound system. As you can see, it's got the light cloud and ebony leather interior. You do have the heated rear seats as well, and the ebony suede cloth headlining. If we take a look inside the front, see there's the First Edition bits of trim, signature Meridian sound system, and you do get the memory function to both the driver and the passenger in the front, along with the winged headrests. You do of course have all your electric functions. These front seats are also heated and ventilated with the massage functions. And you do have the heated steering wheel as well. As you can see, you've got the digital driver's display. Some other little features you have is your adaptive cruise control. And if you can see, this car does have the head-up display as well. You do also have the air suspension in this car. And of course you do have your satellite navigation, but you do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For parking, you do have 360-degree cameras, which is very useful for a car like this. So there it is. Just let you see the paintwork. For any more information on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.